to properly refill the ink and install the print heads. But before that, just an FYI, HP SmartTank 700 series printers are using simple spill-free refill. Replenishing ink is clean and easy with HP's innovative spill-free refill system. So, don't be afraid to refill your HP printer if it is using the spill-free refill system. Let's proceed now with the ink refill, and we currently have the HP SmartTank 750 as our demo printer. 1. Open the ink access doors and locate the location of the ink tanks. The left one is for the black and the right ones are for the yellow, red, and blue. Next, in this video, we started the refill for the colored ones from yellow, red, and blue. Open the cap of the ink tank. Next, for the refilling bottle, the one we got are the flip cap bottles that came with the printer itself. Twist open the cap on the ink bottle, remove the seal, screw back the cap, then flip open the top of the cap. As mentioned, don't be afraid in flipping the bottle upside down. It should not spill, but of course don't squeeze the bottle, which is not also needed when you start refilling the ink tanks. Next, place the bottle upside down on the tank. Make sure the tip of the bottle fits properly over the tank nozzle. Just a recommendation. To avoid refilling the wrong ink tank, open only the lid of the one you wanted to refill. Lastly, as mentioned, no need to squeeze the refilling or the ink bottle. Let the ink drain into the tank until the tank is full. If the ink does not drain immediately, remove the bottle and properly reinsert it on the tank. For future refills, if there's a leftover ink in the bottle, store the bottle in an upright position in a cool and dry location. And that's it. Just repeat all steps to all remaining ink colors. Now, how to install the print heads. 1. Kindly turn on the printer. Next, lift the ink access door and wait for the ink cartridge to move to the center and stop. Next, open the print head cover by pressing the blue button and remove the orange thingy where you should insert the new print heads. Next, now for the print heads. Remove the plastic that is currently attached to the electric contacts or print nozzles and ensure not to touch it at all. Next, insert the print heads into the slot until it clicks into place. Now, for the orange cap on the print heads, in the video, we removed it after we insert the print heads, but you can also remove it before inserting it. For the last step, close the print head cover. Make sure it is properly closed to avoid problems such as carriage jams.
도도한 두 눈에 매력적인 입술 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher Girl, what's your desire? 네 심장은 paradise You're beautiful, girl, can't you see? 다들 너를 질투해 걱정 마, girl, can't you see? 내 눈엔 늘 완벽해 Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah, 못나도 내겐 미워 Yeah, 뭘